morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, owner of Emerson Animal Hospital here in West Point, Mississippi. This is my technician, Mary Parker, and this little dude right here, his name is Jack. He is actually a munchkin cat. He's got really, really short legs, but he came in for having just frequent bouts of diarrhea and vomiting all over his mom's house. She would walk into the bed. He may have vomited on the bed. He would actually have diarrhea outside the litter box. So she was very concerned, and she brought Jack in, and we actually analyzed his stool and found that he had an organism known as giardia. Well, we treated Jack for giardia. We thought everything was fine, sent him back home, and as soon as he stopped the medication, he started having diarrhea again. So she brought him back in, and we did some more tests on his feces, and we found out through other diagnostics that Jack actually has inflammatory bowel disease. And I know a lot of people have that, so you know the pain you have, and when you eat something that doesn't agree with you, the diarrhea and GI upset you get. So what we did with Jack is we started Jack on some different types of medication, one being a low-dose steroid to help his gut calm down and for his gut to stop reacting to different foods he ate. Another thing we did with Jack is put him on a special food known as ID. Now what ID means is intestinal diet. What this food is going to do is it's really, really low and it's easily digested basically. So when Jack eats this, his GI system doesn't have to work very hard in order to digest it. Therefore, we're not causing the diarrhea. Another thing about Jack is he kept getting frequent infections with giardia before we found out he had inflammatory bowel, and he was just having diarrhea constantly. But now that we've got him regulated and we have him on his meds and the special food, he has stopped having diarrhea, he's not vomiting, and he's actually going and not having accidents outside the litter box. So if you have a cat at home that they're just not doing right, they're vomiting a lot, they're having diarrhea, instead of just saying, oh, they're just I can't figure out what's going on and put them outside or get them a new home, please come and talk to us. We can do a consult, we can check your cat out and get them on the path to recovery and keep them maintained so they can stay an inside cat. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the clinic, and I promise your kitty cat will thank you. Have a great week.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.